Hello and welcome to InstaForex Economic News channel with me, Anna Kasatkina. You're watching weekly overview of the currency and commodity markets for the last week. The American dollar was modestly higher against its rivals on Friday and posted weekly gains. The dollar's rise came as traders digested mostly negative US economic data. The euro-dollar pair fell to $1.1275, losing 35 points for the week, after European Central Bank board member Benoit Cœuré said the central bank was warming up to the idea of issuing new longer-term refinancing operations amid slowing euro area economic growth. The end of the week brought mostly negative economic data. A New York manufacturing index topped economists' forecasts, rising by 4.9 points in February to a reading of 8.8, while trade and industrial data fell short. The US import prices fell by 0.5% in January. Industrial production fell by 0.6%. The data came a day after the US retail sales fell to their lowest level since 2009, adding to expectations that the Federal Reserve will keep monetary policy tightening on hold. The British pound to dollar rate extended a tepid gain to 1.2850, but still lost 57 points over the week, following the statement of the US president, who declared a national emergency in order for him to secure funding for his proposed wall along the southern border with Mexico. In cryptocurrency trades, Bitcoin prices fell on Friday, with experts cautioning that further declines were on the horizon for the world's most popular digital asset. A single Bitcoin was trading at $3,560.90, down from the last week's two-week high, above $3,700 on the Kraken crypto exchange. And that's all about the currency moves for now. As to the commodity markets, Brent crude oil climbed above $66 a barrel to its highest level this year. The oil quotation were pushed up by OPEC-led supply cuts and last week's announcement of a higher-than-expected Saudi Arabia's oil production cut. The international oil benchmark closed higher at $66.25 a barrel. Brent set a fresh three-month closing high on Friday and rose by 6.7% on the week. The U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures rose to $55.58 per barrel, ending the week with a 5.4% gain. At the same time, gold futures marked the highest finish in 2 weeks on Friday, as progress in trade talks in the final day of the last week's round of U.S.-China trade negotiations was seen as bullish for the yellow metal, overshadowing strength in the dollar and a pickup in global equity markets. April gold futures settled higher at a two-week high of $1,322.10 an ounce. Friday's early gains erased a loss for the 5-day stretch, sending the metal up by 0.3% for the week. You've watched InstaForex weekly review of the currency and commodity markets with me, Anna Kasatkina. Take care and goodbye.